Morning guys, it's Naledi. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and comment. I want to talk about this tape. It's a tape. It's a BMI calculator, body mass index calculator. It also measures your height. Based on your weight, you can see your BMI. Based on your weight, you can see your BMI. If maybe you're underweight or you're obese or you overweight and so on. Obviously, match your weight with your height, right? So it's also a tape. So you can also, let me do this so that you can see. You can also measure your centimeters on your waist or your thighs or your shoulders. So I got this baby at AliExpress online. So, now it's a bit tricky because we can't buy a lot of things on AliExpress because I'm in South Africa. So before we would buy online, Amazon, AliExpress, and you would get your parcel or your package at the post office. Then you pay a certain fee at the post office and then you collect your parcel. But now, due to COVID-19 and the restrictions, it's a bit difficult because, they can't really collect parcels for safety and, until this whole thing blows off. So now when you order online, when you order on Ali, what you do is you pay for yourself, for your own courier, so that they can deliver right at the door. Oh my word. You find something for $14. If it comes to your door, you're going to pay $320 for delivery. I mean, it's ridiculous. That's way too much. So now the ordering has been less and less. Obviously, it affects the business and the economy, but you would rather wait. If you're not going to collect it at the post office, you rather wait. But they have a lot of things, a lot of cool stuff there. So you can just go www.aliexpress.com. They have a lot of things at reasonable prices. Obviously, you just go for quality things, Not all the things are bad because I know what you guys are going to say. Let's not even go there. So yeah, so this thing, it's you don't even, have to buy 3 things to deal with your weight. You can okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so you don't have to buy 3 things all at once. You just only buy one thing that can do the job for 4 things. So obviously you need a scaler because you need to see your weight, but it's a really, really cool thing to have, so that because also you can manage your health, especially for some of us like me. A weight is a struggle for me. One few months I'm very slim, other few months I'm very big. So yeah, but anyway, just check it out on AliExpress. Thank you guys for watching the video. Sharp.